show you how to make a quick basil pesto. Now is the time to get in, get to your grocer, get to the supermarket, grab as many bunches as you can of basil because it's going out of season and we want to be able to store it. The best thing about pesto is that it can be stored in the freezer or even in the fridge, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's get to it. We start with our basil. Put 2.5 cups into the food processor. Some people like to use a mortar and pestle, and you can do that if you've got the time, but I feel that this tastes just as good. To me, there's no difference. I've done it both ways. And to that, I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of pine nuts, and I might actually take it off for the bun, and say about 3/4 cup of parmesan, because at the end I like to fold in just a little bit more just to give it that creamy texture. So we'll start whizzing that. So now I'm going to throw in my 3 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add my 1/2 teaspoon of salt and my 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to slowly add the oil. I have poured out 1/2 cup. I also have some extra later for preserving if you want to do it that way. Okay, so this time I am going to turn the food processor on just to a low speed on 2. And you just watch it as it emulsifies. It just smells divine. That's the only word I can use to describe the smell that's actually coming out. It is beautiful. So good. Okay, I'll just turn it off. So let's pop it into a bowl now so that you can see how it looks. Just pop that over there. I'm going to transfer it into a jar because I want it preserved for as long as I possibly can. I've actually got a whole heap more that I've got to make, so if you've got lots, just double the mix. I purchased an ice cube tray, and I'm going to fill the ice cube trays up because I love to defrost one and pop it on top of my Napolitana sauce. Just give it a try. I can promise you, you will love it. It's actually my favorite. I've just made a video on how to make a Napolitana sauce, so you can see how to make that. It's so quick and so easy. And then if you've got these in the freezer, I just grab one, take it out a little bit before dinner, and we just put like a little teaspoon on top of the pasta, and it is beautiful. You can see here that it's very green, so bright. As I said before, so fresh looking. And I just add the extra bit of Parmesan cheese. I'll actually lighten it up even more. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it into the jar now. I might actually just add a little bit of oil. It's really up to you. You'll be able to see how much extra oil you would like. If you do add it to pasta, you'll probably add it and then drizzle on some more oil, even a little more salt and pepper just to add flavour to the pasta. Put this in here now, like so. Just add a lining of oil, which will preserve it. So long as you have your jar covered with the oil, it will last. Make sure your jar is cleaned well, because you don't want mold forming around the edges of your jar. And happy days. It's as easy as that, guys. I always love having easy home-cooked meals, pre-prepared. Anyway, a quick one today. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me on Instagram at Rosa's Cooking World. Thanks, guys. See you soon.